Today felt different as the Sikorsky fence loomed, cameras tracking his approach. Years chasing CH-53K whispers, now gripping his white whale at Sikorsky's gate. Alex halts before Sikorsky's fortress gate, rolls down his window into profound silence.
Purpose of visit?
A crackling voice from the security speaker demands Alex's purpose.
Alex Thorne, aerospace journalist. I have an appointment with Miss Evelyn Reed, PR liaison, for a facility tour.
The gate groaned open, revealing a clandestine city of leviathans, dwarfing all anticipation.
Mr. Thorne? Evelyn Reed, welcome to the King Stallion program. Follow me.
Thrill of anticipation gripped Alex, privilege of rare access to national security's heart settling heavily. Alex enters the understated briefing room, eyes locking on the CH-53K's powerful silhouette.
Mr. Petrov, thank you for joining us. Before we take you onto the floor, it's imperative you understand what you're witnessing. This isn't just a helicopter, it's the future.
Dr. Reed took over?
Dr. Reed took over, her presentation slides clicking through seamlessly.
The CH-53K King Stallion. The CH-53E lifted 27,000 pounds. King Stallion, 36,000, over 110 nautical miles, hot and high.
Consider the strategic implications, Mr. Petrov. In a contested environment, the ability to rapidly move heavy equipment. Alex challenges the immense costs, probing how they justify the massive investment. It's a valid question, and one we address constantly. While the upfront cost of approximately $130.
It's about giving our warfighters the tools they need to succeed and return home. The King Stallion isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.
Thorne gestures to Dr. Sharma at the curved display, her focus intense on the project's engineering scale.
And this, Alex, is Dr. Anya Sharma, one of the brilliant minds who truly brought this necessity to life.
Dr. Sharma greets Alex with firm handshake, praising his curiosity as Thorne introduced.
It's hard not to be curious in a place like this, Dr. Sharma.
It's astounding.
Please call me Anya. We're currently reviewing some fluid dynamics simulations for the main rotor blade's leading edge. This is our proprietary computational fluid dynamics software. It allows us to simulate conditions far beyond what wind tunnel.
The initial design challenges must have been immense, Alex ventured, gazing at the intricate detail.
So far. Imagine designing a heavy lift helicopter that needs to operate from sea level to sea.
Notice that the King Stallion's main rotor system, for instance, uses a new generation of elastomeric bearings, eliminating conventional.
Alex realizes the King Stallion's innovation transcends mere scale. Anya reveals the CH-53K's revolutionary design process, from digital simulations to physics-defying innovation.
Alex absorbs the digital design's vast scale, then probes the vital next step in forging physical reality.
A global symphony of logistics, alloys from Germany, composites from Japan. Alex watched mesmerized as the gantry crane positioned titanium onto the CNC, laser guides flickering before precision cutting began.
That's a critical load-bearing component. Titanium offers an unparalleled strength-to-weight ratio, crucial for a heavy lift.
Robotic arms lay carbon fiber sheets for rotor blades and fuselage, strength with reduced weight.
Quality control was paramount. At every stage, ultrasonic testing, X-ray inspections, microscopic exams ensured precision.
The main assembly line stretched like an industrial cathedral, cranes gliding silently above.
The skeletal CH-53K fuselages, bus-sized, cradled delicately as robotics drill perfect rivet holes with fluid precision.
Welcome to the first dance of the behemoth. Maria Rodriguez greets Alex beside the assembly line.
Alex marvels at the incredible precision of Sikorsky's assembly line.
Laser alignment systems, optical trackers, and a whole lot of experience.
Every jig point has a tolerance measured in thousandths of an inch.
These guys are the maestros. Robots handle heavy lifting, but human expertise ensures every wire, bolt, and seam perfection.
Alex felt the factory's thrum of creation. Air charged with monumental purpose.
This is where the CH-53K's brain installs, fully fly-by-wire, translating pilot inputs to electrical signals via flight computers.
Alex's eyes wider at the digital cockpit reality, a drone-like system with pilots inside.
Essentially, yes. It offers incredible precision, responsiveness, and allows for advanced flight. The cockpit was a cavern of potential, dominated by what would soon be multiple large, high-resolution,
It must be incredibly complex to wire all of that up. Sarah sighs warily, explaining the thousands of precise wires vital to each airframe's perfection.
She pointed to a team of technicians hunched over schematics larger than dinner tables, tracing lines with their fingers.
The CH-53K wasn't just a helicopter. It was a secure, flying supercomputer.
$7,500 horsepower, that's incredible. What kind of engineering goes into managing that much torque?
That's where the main gearbox comes in. This isn't just a simple gearbox. It's a highly sophisticated transmission system, weighing over 10,000 pounds on its own. Each engine has its own input shaft, and the gearbox is designed with multiple stages of gearing.
Alex visualizes torrent of power through meshing gears with precise control, then asks about redundancy.
Absolutely critical. Each engine is independent, and the gearbox is to continue operating even if one engine fails.
Air vibrated with immense power waiting to be unleashed. Engines and gearbox, a testament to human ingenuity.
The very wings of the giant were taking shape.
This is where the magic of flight truly begins for the K. These are the main rotor blades. 7 of them will lift.
Alex runs his hand reverently over the seamless rotor blade, marveling at its perfection. Advanced composite materials, primarily carbon fiber and fiberglass, embedded in a specialized epoxy resin matrix.
The manufacturing process is multi-stage and incredibly precise. It starts with the layup. Technicians care.
After layup, they go into these autoclaves for curing. Under immense heat and pressure, the resin matrix us. Every blade is then balanced and aligned to within microns. Imagine trying to fly with one wing.
Each blade a marvel. Sophisticated airfoils adapting to currents, generating lift, defining CH-53K capabilities.
Come, Alex. Now that you've seen the muscles that lift, let's explore the sinews and nerves that make them dance.
Dr. Eris leads Alex through wiring mazes to exposed fuselage, revealing intricate hydraulic tubing spaghetti.
Dr. Eris reveals the CH-53K's hydraulic heart, the vascular network pumping immense pressure to every function.
Good morning, Alex. Welcome to the world of controlled power.
What you're seeing here is not just one system, but 3 independent, redundant hydraulic systems.
Alex points to the robust hydraulic line vanishing into the fuselage. Triple redundant hydraulics ensure Marines always bring their bird home, no matter the battle damage.
These are the muscles, Alex. They translate hydraulic pressure into movement, adjusting rotor blades, landing gear, and tail rotor.
What are the challenges in maintaining a system this complex?
Sarah sighed, a hint of wariness in her expression. Integrity, above all else. A single...
Alex followed Dr. Eris through the bulkhead door into the cavernous CH-53K interior fit-out.
Welcome to the heart of the beast, in a manner of speaking. This is where the CH-53K truly earns its heavy lift moniker.
The cockpit amazed with compact ergonomic genius, seats for endurance, glass displays dominating,
Every switch, every button, every display is positioned for optimal reach and visibility.
This space is the ultimate chameleon. It carries armored vehicles or 30 Marines, reconfiguring rapidly for medevac or rescue. This cargo hold transforms for fuel tanks, equipment racks, or command stations, built for modular warfare adaptability.
This was the paint shop, realm of precision, where raw CH-53K metal gains operational identity.
Welcome to the finishing line. This is where the Super Stallion gets its skin. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about survival.
Alex watches the massive fuselage rotate slowly as hazmat technicians apply fine mist coats with precision.
The first layer is a specialized epoxy primer. It's a powerful corrosion inhibitor, essential for an aircraft that will operate.
Alex examines the advanced paint, questioning if it's active protection beyond camouflage.
Precisely. Every gram of paint meticulously weighed and applied. Multi-layer process coverage.
Engine fur. These booths are equipped with advanced environmental controls. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are all precise.
Another team applied distinctive markings, Marine Corps insignia, stars and bars, designation numbers, plus hundreds of critical warning labels.
These aren't just decals. Many are integrated directly into the paint layers or applied with highly durable, weather-resistant materials.
The CH-53K's matte gray finish absorbed light, transforming parts into a formidable war machine ready for the skies.
This wasn't just another step. This was the awakening.
Technicians buzz around the CH-53K, performing pre-power checks as Alex stands beside lead engineer Dr. Eris Thorne.
Initial power-up in 5 minutes. Tension builds as umbilical connects, green lights flicker, systems hum alive. Then came the moment, the first engine run. The CH-53K's engines ignite in sequence, a primeval roar shaking the hangar.
Thorne issued calm instructions as data streamed in. Alex watched, mesmerized by the raw power unleashed. The roar fades, rotors slow to stillness. A titan awaits judgment.
Flight line technicians swarm with external precision, verifying every panel before Alex's watchful eyes.
Impressive, isn't she? Major Thorne, Marine Corps test pilot. You must be Alex.
Alex shakes the Major's hand firmly, expressing deep honor and admiration for the magnificent helicopter.
She is that. And quite the beast to fly, too. The King Stallion isn't just a bigger 3E.
What's the biggest difference from a pilot's perspective?
Thorne highlights the CH-53K's superior control authority and vibration dampening for heavy lift precision.
Final checks complete as crew chief confers intensely with Thorne, anticipation crackling. Well, Alex, it's almost time. Waiting for tower clearance. First flight, special culmination of thousands of hours, hands.
The 73,500-pound King Stallion stirs, lifting gracefully, Leviathan defying gravity.
Cheers erupted as the King Stallion hovered perfectly, tears marking years of sacrifice.
The CH-53K held position flawlessly, then tilted forward with effortless grace, executing breathtaking maneuvers orchestrated by pilots.
A profound sense of awe washed over them. Not just a machine, a testament to human ingenuity.
Each CH-53K undergoes exhaustive flight tests, pushing performance limits.
What you just witnessed was a standard heavy lift demonstration. We test with various external loads, from armored vehicles to Conex boxes.
We push it to its G limits. Extreme maneuverability, emergency procedures, auto rotations, everything.
We simulate extreme weather so every system performs flawlessly, from Arctic cold to desert sandstorms. It was a dance between man and machine,
relentless pursuit of perfection for the Marines.
Perfection transitioned from flight tests to quality assurance's meticulous crucible of calipers and auditors.
Every bolt, every weld, every line of code, it all has a story. Our job, align it perfectly with blueprints.
Traceability is paramount. From raw material supplier to final installation, we track every part precisely.
Millions of data points form each helicopter's unique digital fingerprint, proving full compliance.
They're not here to find fault, but to confirm compliance. Any deviation, no matter how minor, halts production.
Multi-layered approvals seal the $135 million helicopter ready for Earth's demands. Human precision testament.
Alex watched every rivet, wire, and meticulous step of the CH-53K's birth culminate on the tarmac.
Symbolic key exchanged, hands clasped briefly. Workers release their creation. Marines embrace new era. The King Stallion lifts off, roaring defiance as symbol, soaring to destiny.
Alex entered the training facility, where simulated engines roared, revealing the CH-53K's sustainment web.
The CH-53K's maintainers train intensely on its systems, using built-in diagnostics to fix faults.
A colossal global logistic network supports the fleet with millions of parts, from rivets to rotor blades, ensuring proactive maintenance worldwide. A $135 million helicopter isn't just bought, it's invested in for decades.
Maria Rodriguez hunched over wiring harnesses, fingers lacing bundles with expertise honed since childhood.
Maria shares her family legacy in Sikorsky wiring, from apprentice sweeper to master teacher.
David praised Maria's legendary intuition from experience, sharing his drive to build life-saving heavy-lift helicopters. The King Stallion challenged everything: lift, stability, vibration, requiring holistic innovation and human gut instinct. We're not just employees here, we're part of a legacy. Every rivet, every weld clunes, it's a promise to those who fly them. His mind replayed the weeks, immersed in metal, circuits, human dedication. Osmosis. It wasn't just manufacturing, it was alchemy, turning raw elements into immense power.
The CH-53K was strategic asset, troop lifeline, American power symbol, lifting vehicles, supplies, evacuating under fire.
But beyond impressive statistics and engineering marvels, what resonated most was the human element, the passion.
The CH-53K was more than evolution. It embodied commitment to those who serve, measured in lives saved and missions enabled. The King Stallion stood ready, a monument to innovation, symbol of American resolve.